Grandma, I can't find my homework. Where is my dino?
Oh no, I can't find my keys.
Don't worry, let's look carefully.
The room is very messy.
Yes, everything is everywhere.
That's why we can't find our things. Every toy needs a home.
Even my crayons?
Yes, everything needs its own place.
Dino has a home too.
Come on, let's clean together.
I'll keep the books. I'll keep my toys.
Very good.
Bye, Dino. Go to your home.
Well done.
Well done. Good job, Vishu. Put your notebook first.
Okay, Dad.
Now the pencil box.
Done. I found my bag.
I found my keys.
I found Dino.
See?
Being organized saves time.
And it keeps us happy.
I'll keep my room clean every day.
Everything has a place.
Now I understand. Dino is happy. Is your room clean?
Tell us in the comments.
Tell us in the comments. Like and share this video.
Subscribe. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Hi everyone! If you want more fun lessons, make sure to hit that subscribe button.